What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tara back in the mother house. Okay, so today I did this nice little kind of springy Easter look. You could wear it to church, when you're watching it from live stream, or you could wear it, to make TikTok videos like I was doing. So let's get into it. You know what? Look at my face. I'm hecka annoyed because I tried to do my makeup and it didn't work out well, so I had to wipe my eyes off, but I was still a little stained, but whatever. It's cool. I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Mothership palette. Haven't used it in a while, and I love it, and I forgot how much I love it. So we're going to use that. I got the colors up here on the screen. You see that? You see that's hard work. But I got the colors on the screen in case, because I know most people don't have this expensive-ass palette. So I put the colors up so y'all can go get y'all palettes, and then you can find a similar color, and then we could just do this, right? So I'm just putting this in the crease, back and forth transition, and actually this color comes out a little bit darker than how it looks in the pan. So I'm going to get me another clean fluffy brush, and I'm going to just brush the edges to soften them out. See right here. Okay, so now we're going to go in with this smaller brush into this color, and I'm going to put it up on the screen again for you. Again, girl, I got you. We're going to put this further down in the crease and mostly on the outer edge, though, okay? At first, I thought I was going to do a smoky eye. This is why I didn't go in with this color first and then blend it out with the lighter brown. But I kind of changed my mind and did a cut crease, so, you know, if you're going to do a cut crease, you can go in with this darker brown first and then blend it out with the lighter brown. It's so funny doing these voiceovers because I get to watch myself like, look at my bottom lip. Okay, so anyway, we're going to go into this deeper brown, which is actually almost a purple, but it's more brown. It just, the way I took the picture, it just looks like that. But anyway, we're only putting this in the crease, and then, not in the crease, in the outer V. And then we're going to drag in the little bit of product that's left on the brush. Then we're going to do the long process of cutting the crease. I don't know why I do this to myself. I could have just did a smoky eye and been on my way. But we're cutting a crease here, and I'm going to let y'all watch this. But I sped it up, so, we won't be here all day. Oh, yeah, I got a TikTok, so go add me. Be my friend. I follow back. Shameless plug. Okay, so once we finish cutting the crease, we're going to go back in with that deep purpley brown color, and we're just going to pack that in to blend out that harsh edge of that P. Louise base. Oh, and that's in the shade Rumor 4, if anybody cared. Now we're going to go in with this beautiful red shade. Girl, this shade is like my favorite. I bought the palette for this. Then I felt the glitters and saw the glitters, and then I was like, okay, well, it was worth it. But initially, well, actually, I didn't even buy it. My baby daddy bought it for me it was either my birthday or Christmas, one of them days. And, he don't be knowing what to get. So he just asked me what I want. And it's usually makeup. And I just, get have him get the most expensive things. Because, I like to save my own coins. Anyway, yeah, we're going to put that, we're going to put that on the lid. If you had noticed this whole video that I was doing this. Okay, so here, I'm going to go back in with that brush. I didn't add no more product, but that brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges. So I'm going to blend the red and this purpley brown together. So now grabbing my NYX glitter glue, which you don't even need to do this part, but I just like to ensure that my glitter lasts all day, right? I just packed this on the area that I did the red. And then we're going to go in with that hecka pretty glitter, shimmery, sparkly, pinky kind of type color. This picture ain't giving it no justice. Believe me, it's fucking bomb.com. And then we're just going to put that all over where I put that glitter glue. Okay, now it's time for some motherfucking eyeliner. I'm going to wing it out. Actually, I did my wing a little more dramatic than I usually do. It's a little thicker. I don't really like thick wings, but I think I do now. But anyway, I'm gonna line my eye, and then I'm going to add some mascara. For y'all liquid eyeliner, what's your favorite? Because this is my absolutely favorite for a long periodical amount of time. I liked it. This is a NYX, and then it's in the matte one. You know which one I'm talking about, girl. If you love this one, I'm gonna put a little card in here, and you take the poll, girl. Just do it, and let me know. Y'all should also know at this time, I don't care about mascara because I wear false lashes. But if I did like mascara, I think this would be the one I would use. And these lashes, girl, I got these from the beauty supply. I don't know. They INV, I believe. Maybe not, because they haven't been in the box in months. I just save them. So, just use whatever lashes you got. Or your own lashes that you grow from your eye sprouts. Okay, so now let's go do our under lids or under eyes or under the bottom lids, right? Sorry. I also bought some new equipment. It should be coming in soon. So my videos are gonna look way more professional, girl. Okay, I'm gonna have better views. It's gonna be, the background ain't gonna be messy. First of all, look at that stuff up there. By my Kiko's picture. Okay, so once we do that, once we put that first brown, we're gonna go back into the second brown, and I just want to keep this on the outer third of my eye, bottom lid. You know what I mean? And this is my highlighter I went in with earlier for the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna put that on my inner corners. And what are we doing here? Ooh, excuse me, girl. So we're almost done here. So I like to use this Morphe setting spray. It has the finest mist and it works so good. I like to dry it with my fan, of course. And now I'm putting on my bottom mascara because if I do this before my setting spray, I'll have little black dots everywhere. I don't know, these big old eyes, girl. So once I do that, we're going to, okay, so I use my eyeliner again to go over my lash band. It helps it to hide a little bit better, and sometimes I miss little spots. I don't know if y'all do this too, but so that's basically it. This is my Sunday fun day. It's Easter in the crib. We're gonna have our Easter egg hunts at home because we can't go nowhere because we got quarantine. But I think this came out super cute. And like I said, I did this look for a TikTok video. If you guys want to go see it, be my friend. Check me out. All my stuff will be in the description box. Leave me a like if you're my friend, which you should be. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.